thutha wa muthikabu Gakuyo kana David Kariuki guikio ngono agikuruhanio na ungumania wa ciringi billioni imwe. Riu ruhonge rwa uthuthuria rwa DCI ni ruhoete kurigiriria Gakuyo gwa thikũ ingĩ 4 ceceni-inĩ ya borithi ya Muthaiga niguo guthie na mbere na uthuthuria wao.
I firmly believe that the respondent is likely to interfere with the ongoing investigations, including contacting critical witnesses and concealing material documents necessary and relevant to the investigations, Your Honor.
Kuringana na muthuthuria munene wa cira uyu Gikadi augite ati Bishop Gakuyo na arunake mayete andu makiria ma 50,000 icigo-ini itiganite guku bururi-ini aria makungirio wara na ritwa ria Gakuyo Real Estate. Gikundi kiria gikoretwo rungu rwa uthuthuria kuma mweri wa 3 mwaka wa 2019.
In this case, that is one David Kariuki Ngari alias Gakuyo and the companies associated to him, Your Honor. Your Honor, the investigations are at advanced stage and the respondent is likely to be charged in several cases involving over 50,000 victims spread across the Republic of Kenya.
Itua ria DCI kwenda guthie na mbere kuigiriria Gakuyo thikũ ingĩ 4 ni ati ni ugwati munene kuri uthuthuria uria urathie na mbere kuona ati aikirio ngono ari kiharo-ini kia ndege kia JKIA akienda gwithara kuma bũrũri-inĩ wa Kenya guthie bũrũri wa Zambia.
On 21st February 2024, the respondent, that's David Kariuki Ngari, was intercepted at the immigration desk at Jomo Kenyatta International Airport while on transit to Zambia out of this court's jurisdiction, and this one can be evidenced by document marked BN2.
Gakuyo agetetera kugera mawakiri make matanyihira 10 matongoretio ni wakiri Ndegwa Njiro mwena wa Mwikuirwo ni ugite ati ni ureganite na thitango ici ciothe cia ungumania na kwira DCI Gakuyo ni akoretwo agithie nja wa bururi na riria endekana hari uthuthuria ndari arega gwekinyia.
In existence for the last 5 years. And there is no evidence that has come from the dock that our client has interfered.
Imwe cia kambuni iria ikuruhanitio na ungumania uyu ni ta Ekenza Sacco, Gakuyo Real Estate na Gakuyo Investors Club. Ngiribotera Muthingi TV, Gato wa Kimani.